How we doing, everybody? It is a truly amazing, beautiful day here at the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Biggest knife haul ever. I'm kind of zoomed out just to fit them all in. Then I'm going to bring it in a little bit. Got 14 knives here. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can do this without messing up. Okay, and these knives come by way of Guns and Comics, Tyler, Jim, and Manny. Now, Manny hooked me up today. These fellas are located in Sanford, Florida. There's their information. The name of the store, Guns and Comics, pretty much says it all. They sell guns. They got a ton of knives, swords, you name it, they got them. But I was talking with Manny, and I told him that I was not that much interested in the fancy knives he had in the showcases. I was looking for some older knives, rusty and tore up, and with exception of a couple, there's not many tore up. But I got some knives that haven't been used and abused, they've just been abused. For example, this case knife right here. From the looks of those blades, it's in pretty new, unused condition, but it's rusty. And down inside, it's pretty rusty and gnarly. And there were some stickers on here. And I don't know much about these newer knives. I know this is a Case Congress, and it's engraved on the side here. W.R. Case and Sons Cutlery Company. I believe it's from the 90s. I did get a handy dandy case pocket guide sent to me by none other than J.O. Ventures Outdoors. We did a little sticker swap, J.O. and I. This came a while back. I did a video at one point, but don't know what happened to it. So there you go, John. There's your stickers that I got. He sent me a nice little card and the pocket guide. I want to try to make this a real quick just review of what I got because my last video was very, very long. So I got this Case Congress. Got to get it cleaned up, oiled up, ready to go. I got this Case Mini Trapper. It does say congrats. There's something carved in here, but there's rust and grime all over it, but again, brand spanking new blades, never been used. So that was the two case knives. This is a buck knife. Again, these looked like they were pretty new knives that got put in a bucket or something and just left to lay there and rust. Hopefully that'll clean up. There's another buck knife here. Buck 303, same deal, very good shape except for all the rust that's on it. There was this Colonial knife here, decent little knife, very rusty. I believe it'll clean up nice. And the little sister to that is what I'm calling this. It looks like a little lady's knife or a, gentleman's little pen knife. Very good shape. This knife, don't know what it is. From the circle there, I'm thinking it might be a Boker, but the rust is so heavy I can't see it to make it out. This knife, also extremely rusty. Called a Forest Master, can opener, single blade, bottle opener. That will clean up pretty nicely. Does have a crack in the scale on each side at the very end. There was this knife. This is a Kissing Cranes. It's a Christmas knife. And the decorative Christmas handles have just fallen off. So this is going to be a rehandle project. And I will have to come up with some sort of Christmas theme to go with the etched blades. There was this little trapper here as well. This is a Frost Cutlery, made in China, but it's a pretty decent looking knife. Got a little crack in the handle. What else we have here? SW Cut PR2 USA. It says Paul Revere limited edition. I don't know who made that. There's a little Paul Revere horsey on the side there. What else we got here? I got 3 Barlows. First one, it's an Imperial clamshell handles. Very solid though. Had to use pliers to open these up. This Barlow is a Boker Tree brand. You can see how nice that blade looks, or would have looked. It is just eat up with rust. I had to use pliers to open it up, but I guarantee that's going to clean up pretty nicely. You can't see a tang stamp, but it says right here Boker Tree brand, and it says it on the blade. And then this Schrade, good and decent Barlow. It is a USA and a serial number on it. Great snap on that knife. Absolutely, that's going to be one of my favorite Barlows. But guys, 14 knives, an amazing haul. Super thankful to these fellas. Again, Tyler and Manny, I didn't see Jim around there today. Great guys, guns, knives, you see it all right there. They dabble in just about everything. Super guys. Average price on the knives, $3.15 each. It's just kind of blowing me away. So thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing cleanups and project videos, like this one here. That's going to be a fun project. But I'm going to be doing cleanups on these and try to keep them under 10 minutes because my last video was horrendously long. So thanks for watching, guys. Until I see you again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with your friends. Anybody has any clues to these knives, I'll get more close up on the tang stamps as to when they were made, because even though John sent me this handy dandy pocket reference, I can barely see that to read it, and I'm going to need some help dating them, but I don't think they're that old, these 2 case knives. I think they're 80s or 90s, maybe even 2000s. But until I see you guys again, have a beautiful day.